To my viewers in America, United Kingdom, of course, Canada, Australia, the whole of Europe, and in Ghana and Africa as a whole. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Safo. This is your brother, this is your friend, the one and only Nana Safo, who brings to you every information regarding Kantanka automobile. Today information or today's message is a very important one that would need you to stick and stay. If this is your very first time, especially to my American brothers, to my UK brothers, and to my Euro brothers, if this is your very first time seeing my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I'm begging you, before you continue, like this video. I'm begging you, like. You see that like button, please like it for me. I'm pleading with you. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload. Comment and share your thoughts with me. There's been some great misinformation out there. Yes, there's been some great misinformation out there, especially spreading in Ghana, Africa, and especially on social media as well. But it is very important that as a company or as a company with integrity, we continue to update you regarding everything that is going on. There's been series of misinformation that anybody that purchases Kantanka vehicle, the person is supposed to go and pay, duty. You're supposed to pay duty. Sometimes I'm just so surprised. This has been something that has really pushed a lot of people away from buying Kantanka vehicles. And surprisingly, these people don't even call our numbers, which is the 0242037429, 0242037429, or my personal business line 0547462581, to even verify the misinformation out there. The moment they get hold of the information, they just stick to it without even getting their own verification. It is mostly with us, and it is really not fair. But today, we are here to debunk all these rumors. So, like I said, please like, comment. We are going to talk about what duties are, why people are saying this, and what some customers that have purchased Kantanka vehicle would also say or are also saying about, paying of duties regarding the purchase of Kantanka vehicles. Now, let me explain something. What is duty? Duty or duties are levies paid for import, export of goods. When we talk about paying duty on vehicles, in Ghana, duties are charged when a vehicle that is fully finished or is fully built is being brought to the country through the Tema port or Takrade port. That is when the customs will come in and apply taxes. They would apply the duties. They would apply all the extra fees that you are supposed to pay, including VAT. But Kantanka cars are not vehicles that are fully finished or are fully manufactured and brought into the country. Yes, we import certain parts into the country, just like every other automobile company that do not build every part of the vehicle. Even Toyota, Toyota, Benz, Tesla, all these vehicles, they actually, or all these brands, they bring in or they import certain parts and add it to the already built parts that they build themselves. That is the same thing that applies to Kantanka. So, of course, when these parts are being brought into the country, we pay the duties. And I'm not going to lie, but we build our own parts at the Kantanka assembling plant, which is at Gomoa Mpota in the central region of the Republic of Ghana. It is very important that you note this. We build our own cars, we test them, then we bring it to the market for you to pay or for you to buy. So there hasn't been any customer that pay any duty after buying our vehicle. And that is what is really scaring a lot of Ghanaians, a lot of Black Americans, a lot of Ghanaians living in America, living in the UK, Canada, and every other part of the world from buying Kantanka vehicles. But we want to let you know, when you buy a vehicle from us, you buy the vehicle, we even do registration for you for free. You get 3 years warranty for factory defects. Yes, 3 years warranty for factory defects. It means that if there should be any fault in the car, which is not your fault, within 3 years, when you bring it, we are going to do it for you without you paying for anything. Do you understand? Your first servicing would also be done by Kantanka for free. Now, the rumor out there that is scaring you from buying Kantanka, which is you going to pay duty, you don't pay any duties after buying Kantanka vehicle. Now, this is what Ghana's great actor, the great Akwesi Bwedi, aka Akobeto, who knows tomorrow, said about paying or payment of duties in this country. It's in offer. Auto Kantanka kana obetua duty. And one country, me say, oh, talk and tanka can be to your duty.
I'll make you space. Is it in Antoka or Ghana? Not a tribute.
Eh, if you are a man, who I'm in tears, you didn't know talk our plan and I mean some future.
Car, I didn't be a tribute to the idea of Hambo. We are February, at the Abbey Ghana. Would be a free outside country, Abbey Ghana, and you try to duty. Manco school class,
Okay.
But I dare what all Hannah. What a man put you into that?
That's what they do.
What a basket you into that?
That's what they do.
No way. If you talk and tanka, what of ye? So lucky, anybody be a talk and tanka. Ask them. Some buy it, almost your duty. No way.
So you don't pay any duty.
There's nothing like duty you are going to pay.
After listening to Akrobeto, maybe you might say Akrobeto is a son of Kantanka, so you don't really, trust his words. Listen to what this man, his name is Mr. Moses, all the way from Dumpa on Ofin. Listen to what he said after buying Kantanka vehicle. There was a perception we can see what one thing. Say Obito Kantanka car. It was said or something no duty. What is that thing will be that?
Baby, we pass on a person, na merging.
Oh, okay.
I'm to through your videos and I'm going to say, oh, there we say, and yes, sanity.
Now, this is another man called Mr. Edmond Ade. Yes, Mr. Edmond Ade. He also bought Kantanka K71 Pro. Let's listen to what he said.
That okay, you are what for? No duty. Omubanso a omo show fine. Send your money okasa na de no e ya won pika pa nti. To be o ti ka to so to Kantanka obesa for duty a duty bia ni. O ta what? You are a cassette o Kantanka. K71 Pro.
Now, after listening to me or after listening to all these customers, do you agree that Kantanka you don't have to pay any duty? You don't pay any duty. Our cars are brand new. Any car you purchase from Kantanka is brand new. And you have these additional benefits. 3 years warranty for factory defects. Your first servicing will be done by us. We even have a payment plan where you can pay half. The other half is being spread for 6 months for some vehicles like the Kantanka or Nantefo, the Kantanka or Brempon, and the Kantanka Mama pickup truck. For Kantanka K71 Pro, when you pay half, we spread the rest for 3 months for you. We have all these offers for you. You're not going to pay any duties. I have explained to you. So please call us on 0242 037429 and come for your cars. We have available Kantanka or Brempon or Mama pickup truck or Brempon pickup truck. We have the Kantanka Boa 4 or 94 K71 Pro and other new inventions that will be available this year. Watch out. I've said this in my last episode. You can actually go and watch. That is the thumbnail that you are seeing on the screen. So please call us. If you want to get more information about this, I've had interviews with a lot of people that have bought Kantanka vehicles. Do well to watch them and see or listen to what they said. I'm not going to talk much. Please subscribe, like this video. It is the most important thing for me. Like, comment, share your thought with us, and share this video for every other person to get hold of this. Thank you very much.